Morning. Broke camp early today. Well, not really early. We slept in by about 15 minutes. The plan was to stop into Tusayan, get some McDonald's breakfast, and then head on up to the Grand Canyon village. However, my cohorts decided they're gonna have a full-on camp breakfast before they left. And I was like, well, you know what? I got a Pop-Tart, I'm good. And they said, it's 6 miles. And I'm like, well, I'm kind of used to running in the mornings on an empty stomach, so I'm feeling good. So I left early, which is unusual, but we're meeting up at the McDonald's. I'll just hang out there and edit videos or something till they get there. I'm sure I could put away a few Egg McMuffins while I'm waiting. So we're on the road here. Again, the plan today is a pretty short day. I think we're looking at a total of about, map says 16 miles, but I think it's less because once we get inside the park gates, apparently there's buses and shuttles and stuff like that. So I think we'll be using those. So I'm expecting 6 miles to Tusayan, and then about 4 or 5 up the road into the park. And then we're gonna have a hotel. We can only afford one night because they're ridiculously expensive here in the Grand Canyon Village. Oh, it's out of control. It's crazy. So one night in a hotel, and then one night at the campground, and then we'll head across the canyon. So last night I was fortunate enough to contact a trail angel on the north side of the canyon, the North Rim, and she was available for the 14th. So she's going to pick me up at the monument at about 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'll be finishing up then and catching a ride to St. George, where I grab a Flixbus and get myself to Las Vegas, where hopefully I'll be meeting up with a couple of old friends, spending some time with them, and then flying home the night of the 16th. That's the next few days. And I will touch base with you as we go. See ya. Well, here's Tusayan. Now, where is McDonald's? Attention, wildfire mitigation goat grazing in progress. Cool. Look at those cute goats. Ah, Mickey D's, I have come a long way for you. Yum, yum, yum.
Entering Grand Canyon National Park. We have arrived. And we're walking on pavement. I really don't like pavement.
We're going in.
Diggity.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Home sweet home. All right.
We will not talk about how much this room costs.
No.
Well, today we're moving out of the lodge and moving over to the campground. So the rest of our zero is going to be spent either wandering around the rim or pitching our tents. Way cheaper. $300 plus for this place. And it's $6 for the campground. So yeah, just gonna do that.
We get to go over there.
We're going up that canyon.
It's a big hole.
Yeah, it is. We're going that way.
I'm sorry, I'm too busy being nervous looking down.
Oh, you're gonna be great tomorrow.
A lot of fun.